Hey, what's up, gents? It's Jonathan here, and today we're going to learn how to make a first killer impression within 10 seconds, anywhere, anytime. Now, the key thing with this is to remember that prior planning prevents poor impression performance. So that's what we're going to get into today. We're going to learn some different ways that we can make a first killer impression no matter where we are, anytime, anywhere. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing we want to dive into is always follow the dress code of whatever event or thing you're going to. There's a very key important thing when following the dress code. Always make sure that your clothes match what they're asking for. That's the key thing to making a first impression, because if you're going to a wedding, let's say, and they want suits and ties, and you show up in shorts and a t-shirt, obviously it's not going to be as on point, and your impression is going to go way down if you wear more casual clothes to dress your events. Same as on the flip side. If you wear a suit or something like that to a friend's party, people are going to think you're weird and your impression will dive. So always remember that dress code and remember to follow it. Alright, gents, so moving on to the next tip, you always want to make eye contact with the person you're speaking to. Now, if that feels uncomfortable at first, if you're like, oh, I don't know, I just feel embarrassed, or whatever that reason be, a great thing that I learned is to look at the person you're speaking to, look at their eyebrow. It sounds crazy, I know, but what it is they don't know the difference, and it gives you a chance to make it look like you're giving them that eye contact within the first crucial 10 seconds of meeting someone, and it looks way more professional, and it's very important to be making yourself look like you're making that eye contact. Now, the key thing here with eye contact is it's called the 10-second rule. And basically, you don't want to look at somebody in the eye for more than 10 seconds. Otherwise, it looks like you're staring and it makes you look creepy. Now, if I kept looking at you like this, super straight, and just kept looking and looking, it would actually kind of look kind of crazy, and I would not be as authentic looking or real as I am, and I don't want to portray myself. So always be looking for up to 10 seconds, but then look away. Keep that going. Up, look away, come back, look away. That's going to be the key thing to making good, solid eye contact to make a first impression. Now, another thing you want to keep in mind, in addition to the eye contact and the dress code, is always give a solid handshake. Now, you don't have to squeeze their hand super hard, but the key thing here with this handshake is to actually give them something firm. I hate it when guys come up to me, or even ladies too, they'll come up to me, they'll give me a handshake, and it's like they hand their hand to me like this, and it's like, hello. It's so impression killing. Now remember, prior planning prevents poor execution when it comes to this. Practice giving good handshakes. A great tip to giving a good handshake is actually take your right hand and look at this webbing here in between your thumb and your first finger. And always when you go for a handshake, you want to make sure that the webbing in your hand is making contact with the other person's hand. So I'll show you an example. So we're going to take a webbing. I'm going to go right here. 1, 2, out. Just like that. You want to give about 2 pumps. Go right in for that webbing. You get that contact right there. You do 1, 2, out. I've seen people also go in with double hands. They'll just go, hi, how's it going? Just like that. But that's the key thing to actually maintaining proper handshakes and maintaining a good firm handshake that will make a killer first impression. Thanks, bro. One last thought about handshakes. Shake with confidence. If you do not have confidence, your first impression will be disastrous. Always shake with confidence, and keep in mind that women like to have their hand shook too. It's a great happy medium to be able to make that first contact, that first impression, and everyone respects you for it. Always give a solid, confident handshake. Another great tip to having a first killer impression is to always have a fresh haircut and keep your facial hair groomed. It's very important to also keep your scent on point. Most guys try not to smell bad, but few guys actually try to smell good. Get a scent that actually makes you smell good. Wear perfume or experiment with cologne. Some of those nice, fresher scents will be really awesome and make a great killer first impression, regardless of who you're trying to meet. Now, like the dress code, you want to focus on your style. The key to making a killer first impression is to wear clothes that fit you well. I cannot stress this enough. Most clothing doesn't fit most guys off the rack right into the store. And most guys actually wear sizes that are 2 or 3 sizes too big. But if you focus on fit, and fit, I can't stress this enough, you will be ahead of the game of most guys out there, and you will set yourself up to make killer first impressions. Focus on the fit, focus on the color and texture, learn some of those things. You know, I really get a lot of inspiration from YouTube. If you really enjoy watching YouTube videos, and hey, I mean, this is a YouTube video too, so thanks for watching if you've been here through this far through the video, but always focus on your style. Make sure it's on point, follow that dress code, keep your grooming in check. These are gonna be great things to make a killer first impression. And last but not least, speak clearly and slowly so people can understand the meaning of your words. Most people don't bring this into account, and I see a lot of YouTube videos saying, oh, focus on your style, focus on your grooming, focus on your handshake, eye contact stuff, but they never focus on their speech. And that is a crucial thing that I feel like most people miss, is you have to focus on communicating clearly. Communicating is the most important thing, and that's what this video is all about, is the non-verbal communication when it comes to making a first impression. Most communication, 99% of communication between us human beings is non-verbal, meaning no words are said, yet 99% of our communication is said through our body language. So that's why I'm like, focus on style, focus on grooming, focus on handshake, eye contact, all these things will make a first killer impression. Prior planning prevents poor impression execution. So always focus on clear speech, speak slowly, especially to older people or people that you respect more, grandparents, mom and dad, or even people that you're meeting for the first time, your boss, your colleagues. Speak slowly and clearly, not distractingly, but enough to make yourself heard. All right, so that's it, gents. Just to wrap up, focus on the dress code, focus on eye contact, maintaining that 10-second rule, or looking at the eyebrow if you're uncomfortable with that at first. Focus on your style, focus on your grooming, get a fresh cut, trim your beard or shave your face, wear a nice scent, and focus on the fit of your clothes, focus on your style, focus on the textures and colors, making yourself appear confident, attractive, and successful. And I guarantee you, if you do these things, you will make a killer first impression. That's it, gents. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, what your thoughts are. What did I miss that makes a really killer first impression? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear and interact with you guys. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. I try to put my best content out about 3 times a week, and I vlog and do some other cool things on this channel, so definitely check that out. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. You guys take care.